Welcome back for another Vechain price update video where I will be giving you reasons why Vechain needs to break above our significant area of resistance at around the $0.02 mark, and also areas that we need to continue holding above in the next coming hours, and also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to break above is at around the $0.02 mark. And a break above that key area of resistance, maybe with a retest, we can then continue expecting higher prices here on the Vechain chart, having our minimum target areas at around the $0.022 mark. And earlier today we had seen a brief break above this key area of resistance, but you can see the break was not a sustained break to the upper side, and we saw a bit of a wick to the upper side. Then we got rejected and we are holding below that key area of resistance. And zooming out to first give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Vechain chart, you can see that Vechain gave us a bear market low at around the $0.013 mark before we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.021 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, where we saw a bit of a pullback in this ABC corrective move into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. We fully maximized the target area, saw a reaction of it, and started this move to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a micro Elliot wave count play out within the wave 3, expecting the wave 5 to give us a high in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And at the time of this recording, you can easily see that Vechain has now given us a high in the formation of this wave 1, seen a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, reacted to the target area, and started this move to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for that wave 3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area between, that is at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.022 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do the moment we see a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark with a successful retest. Then that can easily play out before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up even more impulsively in the formation of that wave 5. Alternatively, in case we don't see another sustained break above the $0.02 mark and we continue seeing further weakness here on the charts, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the wave 2 to that high of that wave 1, I get an area within which we can keep our eyes on in case further pullback continues to be shown here on the charts between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And I can mark that target area here on the charts between the $0.01857 mark and the $0.0176 mark. And this is the area within which we can expect a reversal to play out and then continue seeing that massive push to the upside, break above the $0.02 mark, and continue seeing higher prices. And the worst case scenario is that in case such a movement plays out into this blue target area, and at some point we break out of the target area to the lower side, then a more bearish Elliot wave analysis, that is a more bearish Elliot wave count, might play out here on the Vechain chart, where we can easily expect a reset of the lows that we made at around the $0.016 mark. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term here on the Vechain chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.